for to take a look at. 1978 Ford F-150 Custom. Regular cab. Underneath the hood, 351 V8 powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Let you get a good look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Simulated hood vents added there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this truck, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on polished aluminum wheels. Take a look down passenger side of this car, around the wheel wells. Does not really appear to be any sort of bubbling previous work around those kind of chrome trim pieces, if you will. Let's take a look at the lower rockers. Did notice a little spot right there, but again, overall, nice clean truck. Black interior bench seat. Interior looking pretty original with the exception of the aftermarket radio that was put in there. Little cargo carrier or toolbox, if you will. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a look from the rear to the front of the passenger side. It does not appear that there's been a lot of previous work done to that. You can see it's straight, those long panels, not really showing any sort of waves, anything like that. Check out the rear chrome bumper tailgate. As far as the bed of this, there is a bed mat that is in it. There will also be a full-size spare that is included and a couple floor mats. I took those out so you can see the conditioning of the carpeting when we get to the interior and start it up, let you hear it run. And again, you can check out the still pictures and see the interior, undersides, engine bay, and still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look from rear to front on the driver's side. Not really full of much for nicks, dings, or scratches. A little bit of paint peeling right there, one little spot, but again, you don't see a lot of bubbling, previous work, anything like that really coming through either. Appears it has had a repaint along the line. Alright, interior again appears to be very original. Door panels. Cloth seat combination. Pretty much free of any rips, nicks, tears that I have noticed. Might be one little wear spot on the passenger side, but overall, very nice condition. Again, 351 underneath the hood, and let's start that up. Listen to it. We'll also check out that engine bay. Gas gauge working properly, oil pressure coming up, alternator also, and temp gauge will come up with the temp of the engine. Lower fan works, wipers worked. The one thing I didn't get was the radio to power up. It's got a little aftermarket radio. I did not get that to power up. Alright, take a look at the headliner. Oops, sorry about the glare there. Nothing too crazy for exhaust or cam or anything like that. Nice running 351. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second and let's check out the engine bay on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, take a look under the hood. It's that 351. And power steering, power brakes. Pretty much what you'd expect up under the hood of a 1978 F-150. There you go, 1978 Ford F-150 custom regular cab. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call